Just Grandpa and Me by Mercer Mayer. And if you'd like to buy this book, check in the link description down below. My mom said I need a new suit. So we went to the city to buy one. Just Grandpa and Me. I bought the train tickets, but I let Grandpa pay.
99 bottles of pop on the wall.
I told Grandpa to sing 99 bottles of pop on the wall. We went to the big department store. The revolving door went around and around and around. We went around too, just Grandpa and me. I held Grandpa's hand so he wouldn't get lost. He did it anyway. Lucky for Grandpa, I found him right away. We took the escalator to the suit department. I told Grandpa to hold on tight to the rail. I looked at all the suits and found just the right one. Then Grandpa helped me choose a shirt and tie. I put on my new suit and Grandpa said, "You sure look great." Then we went to the movies. I sat close to Grandpa in the scary parts, so he wouldn't be afraid. We had supper in a Chinese restaurant. I showed Grandpa how to use chopsticks. Then we got back on the train. Grandpa took a nap, but not me. I couldn't wait for Mum to see my new suit.
Oh my!
We were so proud. Just Grandpa and me. The end.